Hi, my name is Nadya Lutz, and I'm here to talk to you about the vagus nerve, cranial nerve 10. I love this nerve because it can really help you with so many different things. So I'm going to have a lot of posts on this. If you upregulate one nerve, this is the one to do, okay? It attaches from your brainstem, goes behind your throat, and goes to all of your organs. So simply upregulating your cranial nerve 10 can help everything, can help all of your organs, everything. I love to do these drills while I'm listening to inner voice. So you go ahead and you run your inner voice, and then you would do some of these while you're doing it. And it's really amazing. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is work on the back of the throat. Okay. It's really important to have your vagus nerve upregulated because it calms your central nervous system right away. So what I'd like you to do is take a sip of water, not too big. You're going to tilt your head up a little bit, and you're going to do an aggressive gargle. It's not just like it's as big as you can get it. Okay. It sounds small sip of water. That didn't go so well. Try again. It's hard to gargle on camera. But anyway, that alone will upregulate your vagus nerve. We'll have a lot more info coming. Thanks.